The layout process is a critical step to wide-format production, but manually creating layouts can slow you down and spell disaster for your growing company. Meet Tilia Griffin from Tilia Labs. Tilia Griffin is a powerful, ultra-responsive, and interactive layout tool with an easy-to-use interface designed specifically for digital production. Utilizing the award-winning AI-driven engine from our flagship software, Tilia Phoenix, Tilia Griffin provides a simple yet powerful layout tool to reduce media waste and eliminate the need to manually nest jobs. There is no need for complicated software that adds unnecessary features and extensive training. Only the features you need to streamline your digital print-to-cut workflow, automated production marks, cut path creation, and true shape nesting. With an easy-to-use macOS or Windows-friendly interface, you can streamline your prepress tasks and generate layouts in seconds. Tilia Griffin is a hassle-free, easy-to-implement solution that will allow you to focus on your business because you already have enough on your plate. Tilia Labs, streamlining your digital printing and cutting workflow. Schedule your demo today.